What's up, guys? Back in our video here. Today we have my grandma's Bissell Cleanview 2 Bagless model 3574. There you go, model 3574, made on the 181st day of 2006. So, anyways, I'm gonna do a quick vacuuming of my grandma's room. Set the height adjustment to the medium setting. There we go. And this will be a vacuuming of my grandma's room, because that's where I am. So, and also my phone's at low percentage. So my phone, if the video ends quite short, it's because my phone is dying. So anyways, here we go. So that is the Bissell Cleanview 2 Bagless upright vacuum, model 3574. This is my grandma's vacuum. So, and also I do not have my light or microphone. So anyways, if the audio sounds different, that's because I do not have my microphone with me, and also I do not have my light with me. So anyways, but this video still turned out pretty well. But anyways, let's go ahead and look at what we got. And not too much, but still some dirt. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more of this Bissell Cleanview 2 Bagless. Hope you guys enjoyed. Till next time, guys. Peace out.